hasted. I do want to just mention that an important part of I mean, it is tricky to decide on how many cores or nodes a program should use, and for that reason, I mean, monitoring the jobs and especially the efficiency of jobs can be very important. There are different commands on how you can commands or tools on how you can do that. So for job efficiency in particular, because Slurm does not come with a proper tool on how to actually monitor the efficiency of jobs, the way to do that on different clusters is different. And here we summarize some of the documentation and some of the tools and its relevant documentation from different clusters. So at Alvis, for example, you have this wonderful Grafana dashboard that you can use to check your jobs. On the Bianca cluster, you can use the job stats tool, for example, to monitor the memory needed for a job and how efficient it has been. And I mean, there are many different tools for different clusters. And I'll point you to this. So at the end of this table, you actually see on which system these tools are working. Now, of course, in the future on Linux, there'll be one tool that you can all use, but we'll have to wait a little bit more until that is open for all of you. And now the time has reached 4 o'clock, so I think that I will just end with the presentation and ask you all for questions, and you can ask them live the way I